Welcome, kids. Let's learn science.
A, B, C, D, sing with me. Learning English fun and free. 1, 2, 3, count along. Math is easy, math is strong. Science helps us ask and see how the world can really be. Think and learn in every way. Markimatics leads the way. Learn, learn, come and play. We get smarter every day.
Before we begin, make sure you have the following: a small dry erase whiteboard, a dry erase marker, and an eraser. Listen carefully to each question. When the question is finished, a timer will appear on the screen to give you time to think. Write the letter of your answer on your whiteboard. When the timer ends, hold up your whiteboard so everyone can see your answer. Our lesson for today is all about volcanoes, earthquakes, and landslides.
Let's begin. Look at the pictures. Identify the one that shows a volcanic eruption. And the correct answer is letter B, volcano with lava flowing. A volcanic eruption happens when and the correct answer is letter C, lava and ash come out of a volcano. A scientist wants to show an earthquake. Choose the picture that represents an earthquake. And the correct answer is letter B, shaking ground.
An earthquake happens when and the correct answer is letter C. The ground suddenly shakes. Look at the picture and choose the one that explains a landslide. And the correct answer is letter C, rocks and soil sliding down a mountain. Which event happened most often? And the correct answer is letter B, earthquakes.
Scientists sometimes build models to show Earth events. Select the picture that shows a model of a volcano. And the correct answer is letter B, volcano model. Earth's surface can change quickly during an earthquake. And the correct answer is Letter B. True. Identify the one showing lava flowing from a volcano. And the correct answer is letter A. Lava on a volcano.
A landslide can move rocks and soil downhill quickly. And the correct answer is letter B, true. After an earthquake, the land may crack. Choose the picture that shows this change. And the correct answer is letter B, cracked ground. Which event happened least often? And the correct answer is letter C, volcanic eruption.
Volcanoes can quickly change the land around them. Select the picture showing lava covering the ground. And the correct answer is letter B, lava spreading on land. Why can volcanic eruptions change Earth's surface quickly? And the correct answer is letter A, lava and ash can cover land. During heavy rain, soil and rocks may move downhill. Choose the picture that best represents a landslide. And the correct answer is letter A, rock sliding down.
What can cause a landslide? And the correct answer is letter B, heavy rain. Earthquakes can damage. Look at the pictures and identify the one showing earthquake damage. And the correct answer is letter C, a cracked building. Which event happened once? And the correct answer is letter B, volcanic eruptions.
Rapid earth changes can reshape land. Choose the picture that shows new land formed by lava. And the correct answer is letter B, hardened lava rock. Why do scientists study earthquakes and volcanoes? And the correct answer is letter C, study Earth's changes. People sometimes practice safety during earthquakes. Select the picture that shows earthquake safety practice. And the correct answer is letter B, students covering under desks.
During an earthquake drill, students may and the correct answer is letter A, go under a desk for safety. A volcanologist studies volcanoes. Which of the following could be part of their job? And the correct answer is letter A, predicting when a volcano might erupt. Which job involves creating maps of landslide-prone areas to keep communities safe? And the correct answer is letter B, geohazard specialist.
Out of 20 for questions, how many did you get right? Type your score in the comments section. If you want a printable copy of these task cards, click the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.
A, B, C, D, sing with me. Learning English fun and free. 1, 2, 3, count along. Math is easy, math is strong. Science helps us ask and see how the world can really be. Think and learn in every way. Markimatics leads the way. Learn, learn, come and play. We get smarter every day.